Welcome back to Origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this foxy puppet. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 20 by 20 centimeters and a black sharpie to draw a snout, eyes and teeth on it. And we'll start by folding our paper in half. And next step, we'll fold it again in half. And now open it and fold this side again in half. And now open it to the middle and insert your finger in the middle, because we will flatten it out and push the upper part downwards. And now just align the lines and press it down. And do the same step on this left side. So fold it to the middle, to the center line. Press it down. Open it 90 degrees. And open it and press the center down. Like this. Now turn your paper around and fold on this line, so bring the sides of the paper in on one side and on the other side. Now on this bottom right corner, we'll take the upper layer of the paper and fold diagonal of this square. So fold it in half. And now we'll fold it from this corner right here that we just made to this corner right here. So fold it from corner to corner. One corner, second one, and press it down. And now we'll fold our paper on the line where these two colors meet. So just fold it upwards as far as it goes. And once you have it, press it down. And now we'll turn our paper around and repeat the same steps, but now we'll start from bottom left corner. So fold it on the line right here. Fold it from this corner to this corner right here. And fold it over on this line where these two colors meet. Like this. Now we'll lift our paper and turn it like this, but we'll insert our fingers here in the pocket right here. So lift it up, insert your fingers in the middle and press the middle part of the puppet downwards. And now insert your fingers right here and play with the paper a little bit so it is just as you want it. And now pull the ears a little bit backwards like this. And now it's time to take a marker and draw a snout, eyes, teeth, and if you want you can also draw a little bit on the ears of your puppet. And this is how you make your fox puppet. I hope you enjoyed this video and make many more of them. Bye!